Hey, just a quick tutorial on how to replace the filter for our Samsung refrigerator. Here you can see it's a Samsung refrigerator, and this is the filter that goes with it. The filter, when it's removed from the box, has like this plastic wrap around it, and this is where the filter is going to be going. I always prepare some like paper towels to protect it because sometimes water leaks out, and you'll see that it's an unlock and lock here. So let's take out this filter first. Unlock. One twist and you just pull it out. Yep. That's the head. This is the mechanism, and that's the port. You grab this filter, just pull off the blue cap. We're gonna plug it in, and then we're gonna turn it in the clockwise position. There it is. Now it's in the lock position. And then the instructions here are instruction number 6. I've got to run it for about 6 to 8 minutes, or about 3 to 4 gallons. So after I close up this refrigerator door, I'm going to run the water. This will clear out the new filter, and then we just have to press the reset water filter button. So at the front, if I'm not mistaken, you just got to hold the filter button down for about 3 seconds or so. I think. Is that how? Oh, filter reset. Here we go. Press that for 3 seconds. There you go. So the filter button goes away. So now I'm just going to run the water for 6 to 8 minutes, or whatever the instructions said. Yes, 6 to 8 minutes, about 4 gallons. So that concludes this tutorial. Thanks. So I found this one container. It's a 1 gallon container. I'll fill this up 4 times, and then I'll dump it into the sink, and that should clear out the filter.